Good morning. What is it? It's Friday morning, and Friday is pizza day, and I have enough leftovers of everything. I don't need to make pizza, but I do want pizza. And I have mozzarella cheese in the house, and pepperoni. So that calls for sauce and crust. And I don't have either of those, but I know how to make them. So, I'm going to attempt to make pizza sauce and pizza crust. And the last time I did pizza crust, it was fantastic. So I think I can do it. But I'm going to wait till later in the day to get that started. It's 9 in the morning, so that means I need to start making my sauce. I'm going to get out my tiny little crock pot. And I found some tomato sauce in the cupboard. So, some onion and dried garlic, dried herbs, and we can do it. Dried herbs. Yes, we have dried herbs in my home, and we can make. If we got to get started early, so it has time. That dog hears somebody. Okay, let's get started. But first, coffee. Some blueberry. And regular classic roast. Before we jump on that sweet onion, I have red onion that needs to be used. Finely diced, go here, chopped, goes here, bloody ale, I'm about to burn up my onions. Okay, onions going in my little slow cooker. Bloody ale. Tomato sauce. There's some in there. I can't stand it. Oh, goodness. I got that teaspoon out. Some basil. Oregano. Pizza sauce always tastes like oregano. Some Italian seasoning. Onion powder. Garlic powder. A little MSG to bring out those flavors really good. Salt. Pepper. And a glob of brown sugar. Can you see my colorful hand? Where they took blood, or no, trying to put in an IV. Well, where did there? If I had fresh mushrooms, would have been in there. Fresh garlic would have went in there. Okay. I will put my slow cooker on low and let it go for a while. Hey Vonda, what do you want for breakfast this morning? I think I would like a berry smoothie with some granola on top. All right, good choice. Yogurt. Don't leave it on the floor. Some blueberries. And berry medley. I want to be sure and get some strawberries in there. There. Still good. Alright. And for the added pizzazz, no sugar, no honey, no syrup. Ice cream. just a wee bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. There. Come on. Milk. Had an iceberg right there at the lid. Come on.
your love 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it?
Some bread or pizza dough. Vonda, what's going on with your hair? You don't know. So what do I got? I have 1 cup of hot water and one package of yeast. This is Fleshman's Active Dry. There. Some sugar. We'll let this, see if it wants to get foamy, frothy. Okay, I got my paddle on there, on my mixer. I'm gonna need flour, sugar, salt, oil, my yeast, and I'm gonna put some garlic powder and some Italian seasoning because it tastes good that way. Start off with 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Some salt, just a teaspoon. Some sugar. Whoa, that's enough. That was enough. Some garlic powder. Italian seasoning. Oh my gosh, I'm almost out. Okay. My yeast is nice and foamy. Some oil in there. Okay, it's pretty runny. Gonna add 1 more tablespoon of flour. another. I know it takes anywhere from 2.5 to 3 cups of flour if you use like 1 cup of water and like 1/4 of a cup of oil. It'll take 2.5 to 3 cups of flour. That's what you want. It's stiff and it's a little sticky. Okay, I'm going to let it knead for a while. Okay. It's been kneading for a while. Pretty. So, cover it up. Just going to cover it up. And I'll set it in the microwave. Okay, my back says no standing for an extended period of time, so I'm going to sit. I punched my dough down. There we go. Okay. I'm going to be making pizza muffins. They're so good. 425-degree oven, and I'll set the timer for 8 minutes. Okay. See what the temperature is on the inside. $193, $96, okay. Okay. Okay, I melted some butter and got a little garlic in there, Italian seasoning, and Parmesan cheese.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? No, can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Oh, honey, I got what you want.